Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. Now, this entire car has been fully ceramic coated, as well as the wheels. And I've scanned this thing inches away looking for any imperfections that I can find. And the only flaws on this entire car that I found are here on the front splitter. We do have some rash. That's an easily replaceable item, so it hasn't affected any of the paint itself. And then here on the hood, you have this rock chip right here. And that's it. I don't see any other flaws anywhere on this entire car. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and being ceramic coated makes it nice and easy to clean. All the wheels are perfect. I don't see any curb rash anywhere. You can just see this paint is absolutely gorgeous. We have the window sticker on the website so you can see all the factory options. Like I said, I went through this entire car looking for anything I could find. I even went down to the edge of the doors here. They're really common to get chipped up there, and all that looks perfect. Everything looks amazing. It's essentially a brand new car almost. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it looks amazing. That door panel is absolutely perfect. The only flaw I really found was a couple scuffs here on this kick plate. Everything else looks brand new. Seats look amazing. Now, this was a Corvette museum delivery, so you got the little stamp there, which is cool. Like I said, everything else looks brand new. Smells new, looks new. Very, very clean. Here on this door panel, looks absolutely perfect. I'm not seeing any flaws. I do see a couple small scuffs here on this kick plate. The paint looks amazing. Carpets look perfect. Seats look good. I don't see any scuffs or scratches anywhere. Center console looks good. I'm not seeing any imperfections on this side. Looks brand new. And then here in the trunk, you're going to see a car cover as well as the factory center caps.